Welcome to the set of training videos provided by the Bulgarian partner Architecture Spice in the project BIM-SPEED. You're watching the second video tutorial from the XRT set.
Hi guys, this is Chris from Architectural Spice, and today I'm going to introduce you step by step to the developing of virtual reality application for Oculus Quest 2. So we start by downloading our developed project for virtual reality Oculus Quest 2 from our Google Drive, and the link will be in the description, guys. Once it has been downloaded, we need to create a new project. Once the project has been created, we navigate to the assets in the top left corner of the screen, then find the import package option, and we import the VR Oculus Quest 2 that we just downloaded. When everything is imported, we need to add the VR Oculus Quest 2 scene. Our developed project contains Oculus integration package, which already adds scripts, prefabs, samples, and other resources to supplement Unity's built-in support. The package includes an interface for controlling virtual reality camera behavior, first-person control prefab, and a unified input application programming interface for controllers, rendering features, and debugging tools too. Since we built an application for Oculus Quest 2, we need to change the platform to Android, and don't forget to add the scene. If you don't have the Android platform enabled, you should add it as a module from Unity Hub. In the player settings, we can change the company name and the product name too, but the one thing that is required from the other settings for building an Oculus Quest 2 application is the minimum programming interface that should be minimum level 23. Also, we need to install the XR plugin management. And as a plugin provider, we should install Oculus. Then we build our application to a preferred folder. Put the APK file to our Oculus Quest 2, we need to have an account in SideQuest. And we need to connect our Oculus Quest 2 with USB cable to the SideQuest, and then just drag and drop the APK file in SideQuest. And that's it. Guys, this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.